Hi there, I'm Catherine Burke. I'm the events coordinator. Today we're gonna talk about this events tab right here. So if you click on events, you can see that inside it says events, Powertrain Expo, technical seminars, and chapter events. Come with me and we'll explore this tab. Welcome to the ATRA website where you can sign up for all kinds of stuff that we offer through our website. You can go to the events page right here and click on technical seminars. And this is where you can go to find more information about the upcoming seminars, and you can sign up for seminars on this site as well. So transmission subjects covered is all down here on the bottom. There will be more seminars listed here. They're upcoming and we'll release them soon, but for right now, we just have this first one for Mooresville listed. You can click here. All of the information on the seminars right here. We have the date, the location, the times, as well as the exact address and parking information. We also have exhibitor information linked here below. You can see all of the ticket pricing right here. You can click register now, and that will bring you to the bottom of the page. If you wanted to sign in, you can sign in up here, and it can take you to the registration as well. If you just wanted to sign up for a seminar, you can sign up as attendee, type in your first and last name, your email, and which package you would select. So the lunch is included with the seminar. This is really only if you plan on bringing a spouse for lunch or anybody, an extra guest for lunch. You can do the Friday and Saturday, Saturday only, or Friday only. So let's do the Friday and Saturday. Add to cart. And then you can check out right here with all of your information put in there. I'm not going to do it right now. You can also find the Powertrain Expo on this website here with all of our information for Powertrain Expo. And that is our events tab.
Welcome back. Let's talk a little bit about Gears Magazine. Gears Magazine, all of our major websites are located up here on the top left-hand side of the website, or the members.atra.com. So members.atra.com is going to take you to this page here. Actually, it's going to take you to the home page. So let's take a look at that real quick. That's not the home page. That was a major fail. So it's going to take you to the home page. Once you get to the home page, you'll have the consumer site, which is atra.com, the member site, which is what we're currently on, Gears Magazine, Powertrain Expo, Marketplace, and then the university. So basically, the ones that are down here, the quick tabs that are here are also located up here. So if we click on Gears Magazine, it'll take us to the website for Gears Magazine. Now, there's two opportunities to view the magazine as a whole. You can click here on the magazine itself, that'll take you to the whole, or you can scroll down and take a look at our magazine bookcase. So the magazine bookcase, these are called flip pages. So if you click on the flip page here, once you get to Gears Magazine to the flip page, what this allows you to do is it allows you to read it just like a book. So you can literally grab the arrow that's over here behind me. So I'm just going to kind of shove it over that way. There you go. And so you've got your special interest and your technical information, your different departments, who's in charge of the departments, and then any of our advertisers. So if we flip the other page again, it gives us our first article that we have by yours truly. And then each individual page that we go through, you'll see different guys that are in there. So here's Keith Clark. So Keith Clark's page, flip him through, keep flipping him through. Then we've got Steve Garrett. So once you get to this magazine, it's basically just like opening up a magazine and you're just reading the magazine. You can go to and from wherever you want to go. If you decide that you don't want to have this part of the magazine or read this part of the magazine, you simply just go back up here to your tab right here and click on that one right there. Yep. And then scroll up to the top There we go. And so you can look at the magazine as an individual. So if you click here on this big magazine, what it's going to do is it's going to take you to the individual articles. So now you can just read each individual article as you see fit. So if you want to just get a quick look at which ones, so maybe you look at the picture, you're like, no, that doesn't oh, this one does. Grab that one, you can click on that, and then you can start reading. You could also share it. So if you want to share it, you've got a little share button right here. You can share it through Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn. You can copy the entire thing if you want and put it on a piece of paper. You can print it as well. So there's, if you come down to the bottom down here, I believe there's a print down there. If not, you can hit Control P and that'll allow you to print it. Yeah, so I think it's just Control P. So also over here are your special interest groups. So your popular articles. And then down here, I believe you get your popular articles as well. So our popular interests. There's other things that are on here. So you've got your classified ads here, which shows you the view listings, and you can submit a listing if you want. Your homepage, which magazine that just came through, so your current, past issues, powertrain industry news. So click on the powertrain industry news. That's also on our newsletter. So if you get our newsletter, you'll get this information as well. So these are all from suppliers or other people that want to put things that are in our industry. So we also have our buyer's guide that'll be coming out here in January. This gives you a list of all of the suppliers that we currently have and links to their locations. So if you're looking for certain things, like if you're looking for parts washers, right? Or you're looking for balance equipment, or you're looking for benches, you can click on those. They'll bring up your parts stores and where you can grab and get information on balancing equipment. So, and then up here, if you want to advertise your supplier, you click on advertising. You can go through any of these products right here. And then we've got our other resources and our contact us if you're interested. So, all right, that's enough of gears. Let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the technical side of things. From our community forum to our tech support system, I'm going to introduce you to our technical supervisor, Robert Sproul. Robert?